Hygiene and safety are essential in food manufacturing, starting with the floor. A sanitary floor with proper drainage protects your team and products. Standing water, poor drainage, and damaged surfaces are more than maintenance issues. They can lead to contamination, failed inspections, and downtime. In the production area, QuestMark crews repair slope and drainage issues to ensure water flows efficiently to designated drains during washdowns. We install seamless USDA and FDA compliant resinous floor systems that can withstand chemicals, thermal shock, and high traffic. These systems can be continued up the walls and curbs, creating a seamless transition between the floor and the wall. Every drain detail helps keep this line clean, safe, and easy to wash down. Battery charging areas create another set of risks: acid spills and heavy equipment traffic. QuestMark resurfaces damaged concrete and installs chemical-resistant floor and wall systems designed to withstand heavy use, reduce slip hazards, and extend the life of the floor. We also apply durable floor demarcations to improve safety and efficiency in your facility. Beyond production and charging, every area has its own demands. In cold storage, we use systems designed for sub-zero temperatures and freeze-thaw cycles. Packaging lines, employee areas, and restrooms get slip-resistant, easy-to-clean floors for heavy foot traffic. In warehouses and loading docks, we repair joints and cracks and add traffic markings so people and vehicles move safely through the space. With over 55 years of experience and crews across North America, QuestMark delivers the right floor and wall solutions for every zone in your food and beverage facility. For more information, visit QuestMarkFlooring.com.